Adam. Like many of us, he's already thinking about the holidays. But with work deadlines, family commitments, and endless to-dos, planning decorations feels impossible. His wife is busy too, managing the kids, the house, and holiday preparations. Together, they hardly have time left to breathe, let alone climb ladders and untangle lights. Every year, the holidays sneak up on them. But not this time. With holiday lighting heroes of Greater Columbus, Adam and his family can enjoy a stunning holiday display without the stress, the hassle, or the risk. We design, install, maintain, and even take down your holiday lights. From residential homes to commercial properties, we make the holidays magical, so you can focus on what matters most. Like Adam and his family, you too can enjoy a beautiful holiday season with no hassle. Thanks to Holiday Lighting Heroes of Greater Columbus. Book your free design consultation today. Call 614-779-0368 or sign up using the attached link in the caption of this video. Holiday Lighting Heroes of Greater Columbus. We bring the magic to you.